What is going on YouTube? Hannah back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Guys, some pretty crazy stuff has been happening. I'd say the past 2 days, specifically the inverse reaction with the S&P 500 and cryptocurrency as a whole. I'd say the past probably month, we've been acting almost directly the same correlated with the way the S&P 500 has been dropping and pretty much cryptocurrency dropping too. But just the past 2 days, we've been seeing some very interesting things going on. So 2 days ago, we actually saw prices rise higher, and here we are seeing prices dip lower. The reaction to that was caused by us retesting 4-hour resistance. As you can see here, prices pretty much swung up, retested our 4-hour moving average right here, and are starting to correct lower. You can also see this is extremely close to breaking above our uptrend here, getting back inside our ascending fractal to the upside, which would be great, and hopefully we do continue to do that. It just might take a little bit longer, but you can see the rejection and correction back down. So after a day of consolidating back up, we then got rejected and corrected back down. The weird thing is the way these markets have been reacting. So 2 days ago, we actually saw more so like a bearish reversal. Prices were starting to tumble lower. But here we are today, while the S&P 500 is dropping, you can see yesterday prices fell, which is very interesting, and Bitcoin headed higher. Same thing with Ethereum. Ethereum is heading higher. XRP, not so much, trading sideways once again, but we're getting really close to game time, guys, and I'm getting very excited because this has been a long, impatient, and for some patient wait that maybe very soon we'll finally have the answer that we're looking for, and we'll know when to buy in and either leverage to the upside, which is what we're starting to hint at, or we'll short it to the downside. So I'm getting very excited. Hopefully you guys are too. We have to talk about what's going on right now. This is the first time probably since, it's been a while. I mean, probably since December 28th, we could extend it back all the way to November 9th if we really wanted to. With this lower high formation, we're finally starting to break that pattern here, that movement. You can see each time I swing back up to the previous high, it's lower than where we started. And here we are trying to break through that pattern and maybe head back up, which is a good sign. It might not happen, but it's a good sign. With that being said, guys, today's video is brought to us by Warrior Alliance NFT. They're really starting to change the way we look at NFTs, bringing NFTs into gaming. So cryptocurrency gaming is becoming the next wave, which is pretty crazy if you ask me. And we might see a really, a complete change in the way we look at cryptocurrency as a whole. So I'm getting very excited. With that being said, guys, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. All right, guys, as you can see, I'm on the current coin market cap. Quick refresh reveals some interesting things. Pretty much the entire market is up. We're not even up at all. It's kind of odd. Entire global, market cap is only down 0.7. But in regards to the top 10 cryptocurrencies, everything's up, I'd say about 5 to 6%. Ethereum's up 9%, and every other cryptocurrency is doing pretty darn well too. I guess it's mainly the altcoins that aren't doing so well, but it appears that everything is doing incredibly bullish right now. So it's weird to see that right now, but everything is doing very positive in regards to seeing major swings to the upside, which is good because that's acting inversely to the S&P. Unless maybe we see the S&P open today at a high and we start to see prices swing back up. It's very possible. Maybe crypto is foreshadowing what S&P is going to do. So we'll know in like 2 hours in regards to what's going to happen with the S&P 500. But in regards to the cryptocurrencies that we've been looking at here, some pretty crazy stuff's going on. So in regards to XRP, we're once again not seeing much movement. This has been probably 15 days now or 14 days of sideways consolidation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 days now of sideways consolidation. This pattern is going to break. I mean, this is textbook sideways movement here. And if you guys have been, a long-time subscriber on the channel, you would know that when we see sideways consolidation like this always breaks in big volume. So with volume currently dying off and with us pretty much flatlined out, especially all the way down here near oversold, there's a very big chance that we are going to get the positive reaction to the markets here. Obviously, it all depends on how we decide to break this trend here, but there's a good chance that we might consolidate, complete the closure above the downtrend and see a reversal to the upside. That's what everybody's looking for. It's what I'm looking for. But obviously, we do have a bottom support. We have a price floor and we have a price ceiling here. So really, at any point we decide which direction we're going to be moving to, that's when we'll either buy in long or sell short. So really what we plan on doing is on XRP here for BitYard, we're going to be putting in a buy long and sell short position depending on the direction that we break to. As you guys know, we have been pretty much trading XRP for quite some time now. We actually bought in and shorted it back in January 20th. It's currently February 4th. So it's been quite a long time, and we've been pretty much consolidating, waiting to see what happens, and it's been a little too long. So we did take profits on this trade and are waiting for another, clear confirmation of which direction we're going to move to before we buy back in again. But when we get that confirmation, what I plan on doing is creating a market order with 10 or 20 leverage, whatever, is best for you. And then what I plan on doing is putting in a trade, let's say 1,000 on margin with a leverage position of 10x. And I plan on buying long if we can, complete and break above this downtrend here. And you can see vice versa. If we break the price floor at 59 cents, I would be putting in a short position where we short this market once we can confirm closing below. You can see the support that we've pretty much created. So guys, definitely make sure to check out BitYard. I have linked them down in the description below. Make sure to get your free cryptocurrency after signing up, as well as make sure to check out the demo account, as it's a great way to test your skills before actually investing real cryptocurrency into the market. But moving forward here, that's why I'm excited. As you guys can see, we have been in an extremely bearish flag for quite some time now. I'd say since the start of October. Some people say November here, but who knows? We can start it with October, we can start it with November, but regardless, we've been creating a lower low formation consistently here on XRP since October, and we've been creating a lower high formation since November here, where prices have continued to break bearish. We have yet to been able to break this downtrend here, and we have yet to been able to break through this price floor, which is totally fine in regards to the floor, but you can see in regards to the resistance, we need to confirm a breach above this resistance here. So we are getting ready and we are getting primed for a big reversal in prices very soon. We've been consolidating, flatlined out for days now on this price floor. As you can see, 58 cents, 59 cents has been an extreme support for XRP for the longest time now, and at some point or another we are going to fill in this gap as we expected and we said we were. And once we fill in this gap here, we're going to get a decision. Either we're going to close the daily, we're going to close the daily above this, and if we can close the daily at like 64 cents, we're going to buy in long, leveraging to the upside. If we close below price floor, close at like 57 cents, 56 cents, then we'll buy in and we'll short this. It's very simple. It's either or direction, but it will give us enough opportunity to buy in, because even if we close the daily here, the following days are going to swing up. And even if we close the daily below, the following days are going to swing down. So we'll have time to buy in. So you won't miss out on this run, which is really exciting. The weird thing is, and I am probably 70-30% bullish here, that I do believe a swing to the upside is going to happen, especially when you look at the weekly charts and you can see how this has been an extremely aggressive and strong support level on XRP for a very, very long time. Since literally November of 2020, this has been a clear resistance. This has been a resistance. We've had support here. We had a retest here. And here we are again for the past 3 weeks consolidating and retesting this support. So hopefully this holds and we'll be able to see that swing back to the upside here. So very exciting to see that this is an immediate, very strong price floor. Last time and this is what you guys have to understand. The last time we retested this support, XRP exploded. Let's see the amount. XRP exploded 137%. Consider that. Last time we were at this support level, we broke bullish and saw a 130% run. That could very well happen again if we manage to break through this stupid fractal, falling wedge fractal, close above it and start to, consolidate back up. There's every reason in all the bullish signals, bullish bias of seeing prices reverse back to the upside here. We're retesting a very strong support. We're below our moving averages here. We're retesting bottom support of our Bollinger Bands here. Everything is showing signs of reversal back to the upside here. We've been in a very long-term bearish consolidation pattern for a very long time now with lower highs and lower lows. Hopefully now we found this support and we'll be able to swing back out of that. That's my thought. That's my theory. We'll see if that happens. Ethereum is foreshadowing potential signs for XRP. Reason being is we have been in a downtrend. I mean, we could start this off and we'll reference this since December 25th. So it's been all of December. We can just draw a trend here. price range from this point on has been 45 days of lower high and lower low formation here. And for the first time in a very long time, after retesting this top resistance, we've managed to break above here, which is exciting. Now, we haven't bought into Ethereum, and we've been waiting for a clear consolidation pattern. Either we thought we were going to get rejected off of here, but it doesn't matter. You know, it's just clear speculation. We have to decide what's going to happen. And since we are starting to close above, I do plan on buying in soon, dependent on how we react to this. So with Ethereum specifically, let's see if we're at some sort of support. It's tough because there's really not one that we're retesting. We are seeing consolidation off the moving average to swing us higher. So 2400, if not all the way down to 2100 was, a bottom because we retested the moving average. So there's a chance we could reverse off of this here, especially starting to see prices swing back up. So if I'm going to take a shot here. I'm not as confident as Ethereum as I am, or in Ethereum as I am with Bitcoin or XRP. But since we're starting to close above here, I might put in a trade come tonight. We have to close tonight above this downtrend, which it seems like we're doing. If we close exactly where we specifically are right now, I will be buying in and leveraging to the upside here, which is exciting. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is also seeing a very similar reaction. This one is the clearest in regards to its falling wedge pattern here. Since the beginning, we've been creating lower high formations and lower low formations since November 9th. This downtrend has yet to be retested. I mean, we have retested it. It has yet to be broken. We've retested it on numerous occasions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we are at the 7th retest here. If we can close above it, which it looks like it's trying to do, if we can close above this, the daily, and close closer to about 39K, closer to 40K, 40K would be great, but I mean, maybe 39,000 to be more accurate there, more conservative. If we can close at 39,000, we're going to buy in with big speculation and anticipation of seeing a run back up to $50,000. So I'm getting very excited here. The fact is, maybe we've hit the bottom that we're looking for. So expect to see this reversal happen. We'll see what does. Now, lastly, looking at the S&P 500, this consolidation, it was necessary. I mean, if you look at the 4-hour here, you can see it was a clear retest and rejection off the 4-hour moving average here. There's a chance we could continue to move lower. We can look actually at after market stock market. I believe it's something like that. Aftermarket, yeah, 24-hour stock market and Forex data. You can see this is actually pretty cool. So this is after hours trading. What this means is when the markets close from 9:30 to 4 p.m., markets are still moving after, which I don't understand fully, but I do understand that markets do typically move when we're closed. And you can see here that last night we actually managed with the S&P to swing up slightly and with the NASDAQ to swing up slightly. Dow is down, but regardless, NASDAQ and S&P are up. So there's a chance today we might actually open the S&P 500 a little bit higher than where we closed at least starting up here. And who knows, maybe we'll come back up to retesting, gain some traction and move back above the 4-hour, as I am a strong believer that we're nowhere near completion yet. And I do believe we are going to, stick and get consolidated inside this moving average here, but I do believe we should be able to swing back above it. But it's crazy. We did call a bottom here, which is pretty incredible. We did buy in at this point here, pretty much calling this symmetrical triangle here. And from the opening, this was about the highest we're going to move to. So we'll see what exactly happens. Regardless, I do have long-term expectations of seeing this market consolidate down. So we'll see if that's going to happen. Otherwise, I do believe this is a temporary bounce, but we do have a bullish cross on the MACD, and we do look pretty good. 4-hour was looking for a bullish cross as well. So hopefully we'll continue to head up, but honestly, I do not know. Short term, I am bullish on February, and long term, I'm bearish until probably the summer. But that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. I do want to talk more about Warrior Alliance NFT with you. I want to give a huge shout out to Warrior Alliance NFT for sponsoring today's episode. As with all NFT projects, please do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. So guys, world renowned for his real life combat expertise, Tony, aka Real World Tactical, is a social media star and owns multiple businesses in the tactical, fitness, and MMA industries. Now with over 1.5 million followers on social media, he started his journey in 2014 and has worked endlessly to build a reputable brand that he is both proud of and continues to grow in popularity. Not only Tony, but his entire team is doxed on the website, which is rare to see in the space. Now some of you might actually recognize Tony from Call of Duty. Yes, he is the real-life version of Lurch Ortega, which is the leader of the Shadow Company. So what does this actually have to do with NFTs? Well, Tony and his team are gearing up to release his own metaverse game, which incorporates battle-ready warrior NFTs that become your own in-game character. Now, the best part is this collection of NFTs actually has different tiers and customization options, allowing allowing you to have some control over the appearance of your NFT. Now, working alongside Warrior Alliance is Tipping Toast, which is a game studio with 15 years of game design, animation, as well as 3D modeling. Now, their passion drives them to always exceed expectations and create something unprecedented. Now, their extreme attention to detail makes these guys stand out among 1,000 other agencies, and this is exactly why Warrior Alliance NFT chose them to help build the best gaming experience possible. Now, known as the Elite Metaverse Warrior Alliance NFT collection, the Warrior Alliance Genesis collection is a collection of 500 hand-drawn legendary characters, which I'll tell you about in a minute. But currently, the first Genesis mint sold out to a private whitelist and has been holding strong at over 1 Ethereum floor, giving all the holders 6 to 7x their investment. Now, this collection comprises of 500 hand-drawn Warrior NFTs possessing attributes that have been personally selected by their holders using the Warrior Alliance Custom NFT Builder. Now, having a Warrior Alliance Genesis token allows holders to receive enhanced utility and perks within the exclusive Warrior Alliance community and play-to-earn game. And because they just closed their private whitelist, they're currently preparing for the Gen 2 launch, but will be giving away a few remaining spots as they approach the soon-to-be-announced mint date. So in order to play in their game, you must first become a warrior by having an NFT character. Fair enough. And the Warrior Alliance is currently only accepting 8,888 select freedom fighters in 3 warrior tiers, which include standard as randomly generated NFTs, premium, which allows you to choose your race and gender, and legend, which has the most customization, allowing you to choose your race, gender, body armor, and special ability. So guys, you will need to hold an NFT to participate in the play to earn, the earn yield, token airdrops, as well as exclusive mint access to future launches, which comes with custom weapons, vehicle supplies, and even physical product giveaways with real in-game utility, so don't miss this opportunity. Also guys, premium and legendary NFT holders will receive lifetime access to Real World Unleashed, all of Tony's on-demand training programs, and free access to his app launching in March of 2022, and even a lifetime gym membership to his gym in Miami, Florida, a 2-story, 13,000 square foot facility. Keep in mind, Warrior Alliance Discord members will get behind-the-scenes access to game development, as well as private prize contests. So guys, for more information about Warrior Alliance NFTs, utilities, and their metaverse game, be sure to check out the links in the description where you can find more information on their project. Otherwise, huge shout out to Warrior Alliance for sponsoring today's episode. As always, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.